It's almost comical, some of the stuff you have to deal with. I went to test this heat gun just to make sure it's gonna work before I line up all these wires just perfectly and get ready and turn on the heat gun and have no juice. And sure enough, there was no power to it. Inside the garage, reset the breaker, back out here, ready to work on it. Got my glasses on, we're ready to do this now. It kind of reminds me of that movie, A Christmas Story, where the dad's down and working on the boiler and you're hearing all this cussing and cursing and all this kind of stuff and you're kicking and banging. That may happen right now, so just be patient with me. Don't judge, it's not nice. Be kind, people. Here we go. I had a pretty cool idea. If I can get this pliers lined up high enough to where I can just slide that solder joint down on top of them, then it'd be super cool because then I don't have to worry about it moving around too much, hopefully. We got that. Oh, that just seems scary. It's gonna go further down now. I'm really worried about pulling on the end of this wire too much. I don't know what's on the other end of it. I can't see it. And obviously whoever built this particular Onan generator, nothing against you, Onan, didn't do the greatest job. Here we go. Still not far enough down there. I probably had it in a perfect spot the first time and just stuck with it. You're gonna make this work, I'm telling you. One way or another. That might work right there. Just let that go over the top. Oh, so close. Oh, perfect. That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. Could just a hair more. Right there. I like that a lot. So, like I said, I was trained as an electrician. I worked on airplanes. Loved that job. But my dream was to fly airplanes. And so I would go to college at night. I was stationed in England. And eventually got accepted to pilot training. Flying airplanes is awesome. But I do miss working on airplanes. That was always a great job. I really enjoyed it. I had great people I worked with were awesome. It was a great team I was on. I miss those guys a lot. That was a long time ago. Let's sleep that a little bit. We're gonna adjust that. I don't know that we're gonna do much better than that. I want to get this blue wire just a hair more in there, but it's fighting me. So I think we're gonna go with that. Time for the heat. Wish me luck. Just looking at that, let it cool off a little bit so we don't break it. I think ultimately that is going to be good. I don't like how these pliers crush the wire. That's probably not the coolest thing, but I didn't have a lot of options on this. It's really hard to get to that. It feels like it's on there pretty good. This isn't in an area that's gonna see a lot of high vibration or it's not in the wind a whole lot. It's just in there. And we're gonna route it back around under this way, which I think it should have been done that way the first, oh, it was. We're gonna route it through there and then hopefully this will work. Make sure it's cooled off. I don't wanna go pulling and tugging on it just too much yet. I think that's pretty good. Route this guy back down through there, making sure we're not getting it in the way of anything that could pull on it or break it more or make it worse. That's pretty good. We're gonna splice and strip this end. We're gonna cut it a little bit shorter. Let's give ourselves some more room. Now this is the end that was not spliced, or both ends. This is a non-spliced end. It was crimped, but not very good. So I'm gonna see if I have another end. I don't think it's in this box. Go find the other box.